racing gates open. They're up and racing. Sir Barbaro draws for your lead. Northwest is by the rail. Then comes Rogue Knight running by the rail. Sharp Cookie. Then comes Mathematics. Subterranean moving up on the outside. Ocean Deep comes next. Heading towards the last 800. Sir Barbaro followed now by Rogue Knight. Subterranean is down in third. Then comes Northwest. Moving up on the outside is My Treasures. Then comes Ocean Deep. Followed by entry number 5. Yes, sir. I'm Yours, Mathematics. Then comes Molstar. Moving up on the outside. Nirvana. Following by entry number 6, Renzi Stays, and Living for Love is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 450. My Treasures at the center takes the lead, running on the outside. Rogue Knight joining them now is Ocean Deep. As they turn for home, My Treasures running at the center. Rogue Knight is on the outside. Subterranean, Ocean Deep also closing in together with Yes Sir, I'm Yours. Ocean Deep moves up on the outside to take the lead. Dropping back in second is Rogue Knight. And finally the program and the Ocean Deep. Rogue Knight close between Yes Sir, I'm Yours. Then comes number 10, Subterranean, My Treasure, and Nirvana.